Hello everyone, on today's video we will look into this oxygen concentrator, which is of ocean made England, and the model is 7F3. As you can see, the user complained of blockage of the oxygen airways, like they couldn't observe oxygen coming from the oxygen outlet, which is a very serious case. In this case, they cannot be able to even use it because it is mainly for the sole purpose of oxygen. Though the nebulizer outlet is coming, but the oxygen outlet is not coming from the main outlet. But you can see from the oxygen bottle, it shows that oxygen is coming from the main supply, which is from the main oxygen tank. So what we did is that we found out that this outlet here is blocked with dust probably, or some dirty. So what we just did was that we just got a syringe and a needle, and then we punch out the blockage where the dirt is being packed together and then has caused the oxygen outlet to blocked entirely. So majorly, when you have issues like this, you began troubleshooting from the main part of the machine, where you trace the tubings through the machine from the main oxygen tank up to the valves, up to the main supply of the oxygen. So when there is no any disconnection of the tubings, or any tube is not broken, most often this is the main problem you discover with it. So now we are done with the job, and the oxygen concentrator is now moving very well. As you can see, the control is now working well and everything is going fine, and it is now working very okay. So thank you guys for watching. If this is the first time on this YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.